Thokozani nonke, ngiyanibingelela ekuseni namhlanje. I just want to share some insights. I just want to share. There are things that I come across with esigodlweni sami mangihlola. There are guys that does not approve muti amakhashakashana. It depends on the patient. Kuya ngesiguli sakho at that particular time. That is why ubona you use muti on some people and it does not work for them, right? As a result, I'm gifted with all different kinds of healing. There are different kinds of healing that I want to share today because people has to be healed. At the end of the day, the world needs healing. There are different kinds. It's not always about muti, right? My guides taught me muti. My guides taught me other things as well. There is candles that represent the fire element. You can heal a person by candles. You can heal a person by water, especially those that don't use muti. Those that muti does not work on them, okay? Just water. And then stones. I also heal using stones. That will depend on your guides. We first have to ask your guides, what did they want? How were they healed on earth? So that a person gets healed. Those are just stones from different places, mountain, sea, different kind of stones. And then we also use ash. I also use ash. Let me not say we, because, well, I'm a we, because I'm an abantabaning. Okay, we also use ash. Ash heals. Okay, these are the things that I wanted to share today. Ake ngithi awavutha amalanga